This 2022 Jayco Bungalow 40 Loft is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features loft, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco Bungalow 40 LOFT is 11,795 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.